If you're looking for a premium watch for all your adventures and also your sports, including golf, then the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate is probably your choice. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 reasons why the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate is for you. What's up guys, Jason smashpop here. So in my hands now is the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate. Okay. So before we talk about the new golf features that only this watch has, let's talk about the design first. So when it comes to design, the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate has a dual-tone ceramic build, okay? And it's scratch resistant and also corrosion resistant. Material-wise, it's using aerospace-grade, ultra-durable, amorphous zirconium alloy. Wow! See, even from the name, you know it's going to be very, very changgih, right? This material is commonly used in million-dollar traditional luxury watches, and it is wear-resistant and also corrosion-resistant, like what I mentioned just now. Corrosion means if you kena air, and then the material will not become rusty or become dark, something like that. And when it comes to the glass, it is actually made of sapphire, okay? So traditionally, if you want to pick a premium watch, you would actually pick watches that has a watch face that is made of sapphire, because then it is scratch resistant, and it is actually here on this watch as well. And when it comes to the bracelet, okay, there are many options to choose from, and this one that I have here is actually titanium. Now let's talk about the most important new feature about the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate, and that's golf coverage. And as you can see on the screen here, right, I'm actually using a golf watch face that shows me golf courses and of course my time, my latest score, and also my average putts reading. So speaking of golf features, right, this watch actually has coverage of golf maps of up to 180 major golf courses in Malaysia and also 14,000 golf courses around the globe. When it comes to course selection, we can actually choose the course and also the tee, and we can display the map in 3D so that we can see tees, fairways, trees, bunkers, water, and green. There's also other information, for example, wind speed, wind direction, and also green slope compensation. When it comes to reporting, the watch can also show you first half score and also second half score in the different reports. So if you're not into golf, don't worry, because the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate, this one, okay, also covers a lot of fitness modes and also activities. For example, diving. So the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate is basically the first smartwatch in the industry that supports multiple diving modes up to 100 meters. It's also a professional outdoor adventure watch because it supports professional contour maps and offline maps with waypoint return functionality. So for example, if you're hiking or whatever, you can actually track your hikes and then you can have your waypoint back to where you started. Other than that, you also get more than 100 sports modes. Okay, so for example, running, strength training, gym workouts, and more. When it comes to health features, the HUAWEI Watch Ultimate is not lacking also, okay? Because now it has this thing called Emotional Well-Being Tracker, whereby it will actually automatically detect, track, and also store data about your emotional well-being. So for example, today you are very stressed, or today you are very happy, or today you are moody, you know, those kind of things can actually be tracked and stored in the watch, and you are able to see it using the watch face as well. And as you can see at the back here, right, there is actually a very special tracker for tracking of your heart. So what does it do? Well, it includes 24-hour continuous heart rate monitoring, ECG, and also arterial stiffness analysis. So you can actually understand your heart more, whether it is beating correctly or whether it is a little bit stiff and stuff like that. Now with so many features and also tracking, like golf lah, fitness lah, emotional lah, heart lah, you might think, battery life not very good, right? Actually, based on Huawei's report, okay, this thing can actually last 2 weeks, okay? And if you want to charge it, also very simple, because now it has wireless charging as well. And speaking of 2 weeks battery, we also have to say that it is able to pair with either your Android phone or even your iOS devices. Now, of course, let's talk about some basic features with smartwatches, okay? With a computer on our wrist, that also means we are able to pick up calls, make calls, receive messages, answer messages, everything on this very big and beautiful screen on the Huawei Watch Ultimate. There's also one very convenient feature, okay, whereby we can actually store our NFC cards inside the watch so that, for example, when we reach home, we can actually tap the watch on our door locks and it will unlock automatically. No need to find NFC card lah, find car key lah, find house key lah, and stuff like that. So those are the 6 reasons why you need the Huawei Watch Ultimate. Now, if you're thinking, okay lah, I might want to buy this. How much? Huh? More information is already down there in the video description. Just scroll down and read about that, and also click on the link to read more on Huawei website, okay? So that is all. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!